NDB Technologies presents the VCi-3 de-energized cable and phase identification system. With cable maintenance or installation work, identifying the correct cable and/or phase before cutting and splicing is important. When cable systems are replaced and older cable systems are removed from the power distribution network, they must be positively identified prior to removal. Even when tagging is available, how can we be sure it's accurate? The VCi-3 system is designed to clearly identify three-phase, low, medium, or high voltage cables, typically up to 6 miles or 10 kilometers, and often more. Safety is second to none, and with the VCi's dual ground test method, workers are assured of the highest protection level. For more information, please contact us at sales@ndbtech.com.